Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to install ChatGPT as an app on your Windows PC or in your laptops. So for this guys, first you need to open your web browser. So I am using Google Chrome. Open your web browser and in the Google you need to search ChatGPT and open the official website of the ChatGPT. Okay, like this. After opening guys, now what you need to do, you need to click on three dots option from here like this, and then scroll down. Here you can get the option save and share. Just extend this option and here you can get the option install page as app. Just click on it like this and then click on install button. That's it. It will install the ChatGPT as an app on your PC, as you can see guys. So it will add it on your start menu. So you can also set it to your desktop from the start menu. So in case if you are not using Google Chrome browser, if you are using Microsoft Edge browser, many Windows PC user nowadays using Microsoft Edge browser. If you are using that browser, so using that browser you can also easily able to install ChatGPT as an app. Same thing, you need to open the app, your web browser, and in the Google you need to search ChatGPT and open it. Okay, like this. After opening guys, same as it is, you need to click on three dots, go to apps. Here you can get the option install this site as an app. Just click on it and install it as an app on your PC. Okay, so this is the two easy and simple method to install ChatGPT as an app on your Windows PC. Okay, so that's it for today guys. It's a short and simple video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.